Hello everyone. So today in this session we are going to discuss regarding the Unit 4 of Rural Development, Institutions and Planning. We are going to discuss here major rural development and welfare programs, in which the first part, that is the self-employment program, has already been discussed. Now we will be discussing regarding the wage employment programs. So in the wage employment programs, we are going to discuss regarding four programs, namely the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana (JRY), implemented in 1989, Employment Assurance Scheme (EAS) in 1993, Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana (SGRY) 2001, and Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program (MGNREGP) 2005. At first, let's discuss regarding the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana. The Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was launched in April 1 of 1989 by Emerging National Rural Employment Program (NREP) and Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was started with a view to expand the coverage of wage employment opportunity to all the villages and to achieve the objective of providing employment to all the wage seeking in close proximity to their village. Accordingly, the responsibility to implement the program was given to the Gram Panchayats. The village got aid and support from the District Rural Employment Development Authority. Expenditures were borne by the central and state in the ratio of 80:20. The primary objective, let's discuss regarding the objectives. The primary objective of JRY was to generate additional gainful employment for the unemployed and underemployed in rural areas. Secondary objective was first to create productive community assets for direct and continuing benefits to the poor and strengthening rural economic and self-infrastructure, which would lead to rapid growth and rural economy, and as a result improve the income levels of the poor. Second, to bring about improvement in the overall quality of life in the rural areas. So let's discuss regarding the Employment Assurance Scheme (EAS). The Employment Assurance Scheme (EAS) was introduced in 2nd October 1993 in rural areas of 1,778 blocks of 261 districts, in which the Revapat Public Distribution System (RPDS) was in operation. The blocks selected were in the drought-prone areas, desert areas, tribal areas, and hill areas. In 1994, the scheme was extended from 1,778 blocks to further 409 blocks, which were mostly tribal areas. Later, in 1995, the scheme was extended to 256 blocks in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, and Jammu and Kashmir. In 1996, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was merged with Employment Assurance Scheme, and presently the scheme is available throughout the country without any special condition through a restructured program started in the year 2000. In 2006, the scheme was totally merged with Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Let's see the objectives. The main objectives are to provide gainful employment during lean agricultural season in the form of manual work to all able-bodied adults who are in need and desirous of working but unable to find anything to do. The second objective is to develop economic infrastructure and community assets and resources for sustained employment and development. Going on. Now let's discuss regarding the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program. The National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005, or NREGA number 42, later renamed as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (MGNREGA), is an Indian labour law and a social security measure that aims to guarantee the right to work. It aims to enhance livelihood security in rural areas by providing at least 100 days of wage employment in a financial year to every household whose adult member volunteer to do the unskilled manual work at the statutory minimum wage. The MGNREGA is to be implemented mainly by the Gram Panchayats. This act was introduced with the aim of improving the purchasing power of the rural people, primarily semi or unskilled work to people living below the poverty line in rural India. It attempts to bring the gap between rich and poor in the country. Adult members of the rural household submit their name, age, and address with a photo to the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat registers households after making enquiry and issues a job card. The job card contains details of the adult members enrolled and his or her photo. Registered person can submit an application for working in writing for at least 14 days of continuous work, either to Panchayat or to the program officer. The wage employment programs, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, Employment Assurance Schemes, Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana, and Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee programs were clear to all of you. Thanks for hearing. Have a happy learning.